Good evening, I'm Peter Mansbridge, and this is The National.
Today's verdict is a huge relief to our family.
They waited 6 years for justice after an Alberta couple vanished, but legal experts say the judge made a shocking mistake.
We've had patients who have died waiting for liver transplantation, and the cause was inadvertent Tylenol injury.
Health Canada drives home the risks around a common painkiller. And when MPs return next week, will issues dominate or leadership battles? Andrew's away, but Chantel is here, and so is Rosie Barton and Robert Fife. And Rex is thinking about Canadian values this week and what they really are. For 6 long years, exactly what happened to Lyle and Marie McCann has remained a mystery. They disappeared without a trace after heading out on vacation. Today, following a complicated prosecution, a judge in Edmonton found Travis Vader guilty of second-degree murder. The ruling delivered in a rare live broadcast. Some relief at last for the McCann family. But just hours later, legal experts said the judge had made a major error. And what happens now with Vader is unclear. Briar Stewart was in court this morning. She joins us now with the latest. Briar.
Peter, Travis Vader's case has been in and out of court for years. Today it was supposed to mark an end, but after a controversial ruling, tonight it appears it's still far from over. In a rare move, the justice allowed a camera in as he read his decision to the packed courtroom and to all those watching online and on TV.
I conclude beyond a reasonable doubt that Mr. Vader committed murder.
Travis Vader, convicted of second-degree murder in the killing of Lyle and Marie McCann. The elderly couple disappeared in 2010 during a road trip, and it was not long after that Vader was identified as a person of interest. But it took 6 years to get here, all of them long and painful for the McCann's family.
Today's verdict is a huge relief to our family. This has truly been a marathon.
But that relief may be short-lived.
There will be an appeal based upon what we think are errors in the judgment.
Legal experts point to one glaring error. They say the justice relied on Section 230 of the Criminal Code to reach a decision of second-degree murder. The problem, that section was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court in 1990.
It's extremely surprising that anyone practicing in criminal law, especially in a high-profile murder case, let alone a judge, would not have been aware of the fact that it's been struck down.
It's just the latest issue in a case that's been in and out of court for years. At one point, it looked like it would never get to trial because the charges against Vader were temporarily stayed in 2014. The Crown has acknowledged the case was circumstantial. The theory was that Vader killed the McCanns during a roadside robbery.
On July 3, 2010, Mr. Vader had no money, no food, and was in desperate circumstances.
Vader's blood and fingerprint were found in the McCann's SUV, and the Crown revealed Vader used the couple's cell phone to text his ex-girlfriend. Lyle McCann's hat was found with a bullet hole in it and with blood on it, but the couple's bodies have never been found. The McCann family says they won't be commenting on this latest legal development, but Peter, Vader's lawyer, says he'll be filing an appeal first thing tomorrow based on that one section of the Criminal Code.
All right, Briar, thank you.